So hi guys, this is 𝗧𝗵𝗲 and a very welcome back to you guys on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some basic way to film overhead views using your phone and some basic stuff that every people have. And before starting the video, if you haven't watched my part 1 of this series, then click somewhere over here to watch the video, or you can click the first link in the description down below to watch it. And like as always, without wasting time, let's just jump into the video. Okay, so for our first shot, we just need a box like this and a cloth hanger like this, which doesn't get bent. And what we are going to do is something like, we will put the box like this over on our table, which we are going to record, and we will take the hanger, place it over right over there. And I believe in book power, so I'm going to take our math book and place it over as a counterweight on the side of the box, and we can place our phone directly over like this and start our filming. Okay, so we will go to the camera and you can see over here how it looks directly, and it's a good way to film. Okay, so for the second shot, what we are going to do is something like, we will take a book or a copy with a harder cover, and for this case I am using my diary as it has a harder cover. Okay, so we will keep our book in this position on our table, and we will take a piece board. You can take anything which is hard enough to be kept over that book or a copy which you have took, and we will place it over there like this. And we will take another bigger book like we did in our last step as a counterweight, so our phone doesn't get fall while we are going to film. And we will take our phone, place it over right there, and we will just turn on our camera, go to the settings. You can film this shot using a wide angle camera mode or a normal camera mode, depends on you and how the bigger surface you get to film. This was not something that I discovered by my own, but I saw this on Pinterest and I thought that I should share this with you guys. Okay, so our third way to film overhead view is using a selfie stick, and this is something which I frequently started using, as before that I just used to film with my marker stands and some basic stuff, but I thought that I should need a selfie stick. As for our third shot, we are going to use a selfie stick, and this is the selfie stick which I brought from our local market, and if you want you can also go through Amazon. So for the third shot, we will just take our selfie stick, open our drawer and place the stick over right there. And you can see that how messy is my drawers, but we will just place the selfie stick on the corner of the drawer and we will shut the drawer. And I'm pretty struggling because I'm holding the camera with my one hand and placing the selfie stick using my another hand, so give me a second. Okay, so this is the final product and you can directly see over how it looks like, and you guys are smart enough that you can make it by your own if you have a selfie stick, and boom, we can just start our filming. In case if you don't have any drawer in your table, then the fourth tip is for you. Our fourth shot is pretty similar with our last shot, as we are going to use selfie stick again and some stones like this. You can find these stones anywhere in your garden, on the roads, anywhere, so this shouldn't cause any problem to you. And also we are going to use a pencil case or pencil stand like this. We will put our selfie stick on the case and we will just put the stones over there so our selfie stick doesn't get fall while we are going to record. And just take your phone, place it on the stand, and just give me a second to place it, and just boom, your filming setup is ready, my brothers. If you have watched this video till now, then I think that you are quite enjoying this video, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so I can bring more and interesting content for you guys. Our fifth shot is very straightforward, and it's something like recording from just over here And this shot is really going to be very easy if you have a selfie stick. but most of the guys don't have a selfie stick, so watch it.
For the fifth and the last shot, we are going to use this hanger again, and what we are going to do is something like we will take our phone, place it over right on the edge, and with the help of an garter or an elastic, we will just hold this on over there. And in my case, this process is quite hard because the elastic or the garter that I am using for this is not enough elasticable and it just sucks. But still, I am just shooting for you guys. Okay, so here your phone stand is ready to use, and what we are going to do now is something like we will just take our phone case and place it over right on our markers or anything as to balance it, and here it is hard enough for me to hold it within one hand, so give me a second. So here it is, it's fully prepared, and the best way to shoot an art video according to me, and I to use this process maximum time in my videos. And also I will suggest you to try this by your own and comment me down how you like it.
Thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and also let me know it down in the comments below that which was your favorite tip and trick in this video. And if you have some kinds of new ideas on your mind, then also comment down. I want to know that. Very thank you for watching again, and I'll see you next week with the next video.